everyone, this is Bhumi. Welcome back to the another video. So now you guys are heading into college and must be moving to PG or hostel for the first time. So for this you must be super excited or maybe a little bit nervous also, but don't worry. This video is just for you guys where I'm going to help you guys to pack your bags like a pro. I have a whole list which I have prepared for myself a year ago when I was shifting to PG, of course. So yeah, definitely I can help you guys with this. So yeah, let's get started. So the first section is all the important documents, which includes your class 10th ka mark sheet, your class 12th ka mark sheet, your class 12th ka admit card, your ID proofs like Aadhaar card or PAN card if you have any, and the college admission letter, of course. Then passport size photos 2 to 3 की रख लेना अपने पास. Then ATM card and some cash for the emergencies. This is all the document which you need, and also keep your category certificates, which is very important because college will ask you for the document verifications which you will need in further procedure. Now coming to the section number 2, that is bedding and comfort. Okay. For this you need your bed sheet, single bed wali bed sheet 2 to 3 रख लेना अपने पास. Then pillow covers, and then a light blanket because तुम्हें ज़रूरत होगी, and mattress. But although colleges provide मतलब PG provide करते हैं, but if you are moving into a hostel then just know whether just ask from the people whether they provide you or not, and if not then you can purchase. Coming to the section number 3, that is clothing, which is the most essential part and it is very important. So yeah, firstly daily wear. For the daily wear you can keep your t-shirt, jeans, kurtis and leggies or shorts, whatever you are comfortable with. Then the second thing is slipwear. You have to keep that, okay. Then undergarments, at least 7 to 8 pairs. Then towels. Then bathroom slippers also, yeah, because घर पे तो हम ऐसे घूम सकते, but वहाँ पे तो बहुत ही unhygienic type से होती है. So you can keep that, you have to keep that. Now sneakers, shoes, sandals. Now coming to the section number 4, that is toiletries. In this you need a toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner as per your choice, body wash, soap, hair brush, then skincare items, your sanitary products, a detergent and a bucket. Also don't forget to keep your nail cutter, razor, etc. So section number 5 is the study supplies, and yeah, तुम वहाँ पे पढ़ने जा रहे हो, so you will need that also. So make sure to keep a notebook, pen, highlighters, sticky notes, लैपटॉप तो इनिशियली तुम लेके ही जाना क्योंकि तुम्हें बहुत प्रेजेंटेशंस एंड PDF बनाना, प्रोजेक्ट बनाना, सबमिट करना, बहुत सारे असाइनमेंट्स मिलेंगे. सो यू विल नीड दैट ऑल्सो. देन अ एक्सटेंशन बोर्ड विच इज़ मस्ट नीडेड इन अ हॉस्टल और अ PG. देन अ टेबल लैम्प and a backpack. Okay, so section number 6, which is the most important sections in overall pura packing ka stage. This is the kitchens and snacks, which is the most important thing which you will ever need, because घर के खाने से तुरंत हॉस्टल वाले खाने तुम्हें बिल्कुल भी अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे. वहाँ पे तुम्हारी मम्मी नहीं रहेगी तुम्हें खाने देने के लिए, या मम्मी के हाथ के खाने नहीं मिलेंगे. सो यू नीड सम स्नैक्स. इन दिस यू कैन टेक एन इलेक्ट्रिक केटल, a mug, plates, spoons, and snacks like Maggies, biscuits, some dry fruits and mixtures and whatever you like. Then a reusable water bottle because be hydrated, and a small container for sugar, tea, coffee, whatever you like. Okay, so there are certain small things also that will make your life easier, which like cloth hangers, safety pins, first aid kit, lock and their keys, laundry bag, a power bank and a personal diary or a journal. Then okay, so this is the whole things which you need in your hostel life, and in case if I have missed any of the product, then you can just drop a comment in the comment section so that वो दूसरों को help कर दे. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you like it, and if you found this video helpful, then just share with your friends who are moving to college or hostel so that this can also help to them. So yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.